What's up, y'all? This is Reggie Beatz, and today I'm gonna share with you all how to get quality melody loops for free. We can't deny the fact that loops are so popular right now, and they definitely make making beats easier. It's just like having a feature or a collab. If you want to become successful in the beat making game, definitely you gotta be open for collab. So let's get to it. The platform we'll be using is Looperman. Looperman is a place where you can get unlimited loops for free. So let's jump to that website right quick. Just go to looperman.com, click on register, enter your details, click on register, then log in with the details you've entered, then select loops and samples. Here we are presented with an interface that has filters to help us get the type of loop you want. You can search by member ID, category, key, BPM, keyword, genre and more. I like using keyword. Let's type in Ghana. Now we get 3,287 results of Ghana type loops that I can choose from. So I'm gonna go through them now. I like this one. If you find one that you like, you click download again. Now you can use this loop in your project. You can use it as it is, or you can flip it. For this video, I'll just focus on using it how it is. If you want to learn how to flip loops so they can sound different and unique, leave a comment below and I'll share how. So when it comes to copyrights, Looperman says all samples and loops are free to use in commercial and non-commercial projects, but you may not redistribute the media from the loop section of Looperman as is, either for free or to make money. So you can use it, manipulate it in your beat, but you can just sell it as is on your website. So that's it from me. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please click the subscribe button. Let me know what you want me to talk about next in the comment section. From now, I'm out.